In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add internal notes in Freshdesk. Let's walk through how to add clear, private notes to a ticket so your team stays aligned without anything spilling over to the customer. Start by opening the specific ticket you're working on. It helps to scan the conversation thread first so you're adding context where it matters, like summarizing what's been tried, what's pending, and who needs to chime in. At the top of the conversation pane, you'll see a tab labeled Add Note right next to Reply. Click Add Note to switch from customer-facing replies to an internal note. You'll know you're in the right place because the note editor is highlighted in yellow. That yellow background is your safety net. It signals the message is private and won't be visible to the requester. Now draft your note, keep it crisp and actionable. Include what you observed, the troubleshooting steps taken, any relevant logs or links, and what you recommend next. Aim for clarity over length, short sentences, specific details, and clear ownership. If you're documenting technical findings, consider using consistent labels or short headers so teammates can skim quickly. Avoid including sensitive customer data. Reference it instead, like order ID on file, rather than pasting full details. If you need help from a colleague or want to draw attention to a specific part of the ticket, use @mentions to tag teammates or groups. Type the @ symbol and begin entering the name, then select the right person from the suggestions. They'll receive a notification prompting them to jump into the ticket, which can significantly speed up collaboration and resolution. Before posting, choose the visibility for the note. Notes can be private, visible only to agents, or public, which can be seen by the customer if they access the portal. For internal discussion, keep it set to private. Double-check this setting, especially if you've copied text from elsewhere, so internal commentary doesn't reach the customer by mistake. Public visibility is rarely used for notes and should be reserved for intentional, customer-appropriate updates. When everything looks good, click the Add Note button to save it to the ticket thread. Your note is now timestamped, linked to the ticket, and available for the whole team to reference as they work. That's it. Open the ticket, switch to Add Note, confirm the yellow editor, write a clear internal update, tag the right people, keep the visibility private, and save. With these habits, your internal documentation stays organized, secure, and genuinely helpful for faster, more consistent support.